Assalamu alaikum. Our today topic of discussion is light dependent reaction. It is also called energy conversion phase because in plants it is the process in which solar energy is converted into chemical energy in the form of ATP and NADPH. But where this process take place? This process take place in the photosynthetic pigments which are organized on thalocard membrane. But these photosynthetic pigments are organized in the form of cluster. Photosynthetic pigments organized into clusters. These clusters are called photosystem. Here we can see a diagram of photosystem on which photosynthetic pigments are organized. Photosystem has two segments, antenna complex and reaction center. Here this purple color box is called reaction center and leftover portion is called antenna complex. Antenna means channeling. Antenna complex function is only to transfer the energy. Antenna complex has chlorophyll A, B, carotenoids pigments. All these pigments function just to transfer the energy. Here light energy is absorbed, it is transferred and finally reach into the reaction center. Here reactions in reaction center, this energy is converted into chemical energy. Remember this transfer of energy takes place by resonance method. Here in reaction center, only chlorophyll A molecule is present. Chlorophyll A molecule, on chlorophyll A molecule, electron is excited by the incoming solar energy. This photo excited electron is then transferred into primary electron acceptor. And from primary electron acceptor, this photo excited electron is transferred to the electron transport chain. And by passing through the electron transport chain, the energy of electron is converted into ATP, and this process is take place by chemiosmosis. We will discuss this chemiosmosis in the next lecture in detail. Next is the photosystem is of two types, photosystem 1 and photosystem 2. The name is given according to the discovery. Photosystem 1 is discovered earlier. In photosystem 1, chlorophyll A can absorb the range of light of 700 nanometer, and in photosystem 2, 680 nanometer range of light is absorbed. But both of these photosystems must have primary electron acceptor and associated electron transport chain. If electron is transported through the electron transport chain through non-cyclic pathway, then both photosystem 1 and 2 are involved. But if electron is transferred through the electron transport chain in cyclic pathway, then only photosystem 1 is involved. This is all about today lecture. In next lecture, we will discuss about light and non-cyclic and cyclic phosphorylation. Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.